My video guide will provide you with detailed guidelines that will help you to get rid of the online scary pop-ups that are related to the site Safemart.info. This website Safemart.info is totally faulty and deceptive. It tries to mislead people and to make them scared about the condition of their computers in order to force them into actually downloading and installing certain potentially unwanted software. If you see these fake alerts by Safemart.info, do not trust them, do not interact with them. Such pop-ups may be the result of certain adware to be enabled in your computer. So if you see these alerts by Safemart.info, do not trust them, do not interact with them. They are totally faulty and obviously very deceptive. What I recommend you to do is to research your system with a combo cleaner antivirus. It will help you to effectively detect and delete all other threats which could possibly remain on the system. So go to the page combocleaner.com, download the program, install it, and start investigating your device with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, make sure you click on Start Scan button. Initially, the program is in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is so far available in the trial mode. The program most likely will first of all update its anti-malware database, and of course this is crucial for proper detection and removal of any malware, ransomware, adware or other infections. While the scanning by Combo Cleaner is taking place, please pay attention to several features in Combo Cleaner, such as anti-ransomware. This feature, for instance, allows to help you to add several folders that will always be protected against ransomware or malware attacks. At the end of the scanning, you will see the detailed summary of all the threats which were found on your computer. You will be able to know the names of all these threats, the locations of all these threats on your computer, and of course, based on that summary, you will be able to remove certain threats manually. However, we strongly advise that you consider upgrading to the premium license of Combo Cleaner antivirus. This is the best way to remove any possibly hidden malware from your system and to keep your data always protected against any other possible malware attacks. So use Combo Cleaner Premium license to make sure your system is always under the defense against all contemporary threats.